Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the value of m and 8 to make sure that the function is continuous. The first thing, we need to find the limit. On the left should be equals to the limit on the right. So on the left, that is smaller than number 2, so that is about this one. On the right, that is about this one. So I will put number 2 cone here, number 2 cone here. And now I will put negative a go to the left, number 6 go to the right. For minus number 6, we have negative number 2, and we have first equation. The next one, we need to know that differentiation should be equal. So because if we want to create a function is continuous, differentiation on the left and on the right should be equal. So that should be like this. So on the left, that is about this one. Now if we do first the derivative, this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So we have m. On the right, so this one we have 2s. This one you got number 0. Now we put number 2 cone here. And we have number 4. After we got number 4, we put number 4 cone here. And we have 2 multiplied by number 4. So this is about 8. And I will put number 8 gone here. And we have negative number 10. Negative number 2 minus number 8, we have negative number 10. So this is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.